Hi, Lisa. How do you usually go to work?
Hi, Tom. I usually take the bus to work.
Is the bus stop close to your home?
Yes, it's only 2 blocks away.
That's convenient.
Yes, but I have to wait a long time sometimes.
What time do you usually catch the bus?
Around 7:30 in the morning.
Is it crowded at that time?
Very crowded. I often don't get a seat.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, but it's cheap.
Have you ever taken a taxi to work?
Yes, when I wake up late.
Is it expensive?
A bit, but it saves time.
Do you use a taxi app?
Yes, I use Grab or Kakao Taxi.
Which do you prefer, bus or taxi?
I prefer the bus for normal days.
What about weekends?
On weekends, I prefer a taxi
Why is that?
because I go out with my family.
That makes sense.
How about you, Tom?
I ride my bike most of the time.
Wow, that's healthy and eco-friendly.
Yeah, but if it rains, I take the bus too.
Let's take the bus together tomorrow. See you in the next video.